everyone, I'm Upasana Taneja. So in this video we have a question. They are asking us n square plus n is even or odd. So we need to tell what are even numbers. Even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2, right? And odd numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2, like 1, 3, 5, 7. These are odd, right? And even are like 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on. These are even numbers. So they are giving us n square plus n, and they are saying that n is an integer, right? Okay. So if we look at this thing, n square plus n, we can write it as n times n plus 1, right? So if n is even, right, then n plus 1 will be odd, right? If 2 is even, then 2 plus 1, 3 is odd, right? So if n is odd, then n plus 1 will be even. So either of them will be even and odd, right? So this, if one is even and one is odd, then product of an even and odd number is always an even number, right? So if you multiply any number with an even number, you will always get an even number. So that means our answer is that n square plus n is always even when n is any integer, right? So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel. And if you like math riddles or you want to learn short tricks, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.